Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia Tablet Z, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should hold for a while the screen where you want to add the widget, or you can just hold for a while the screen and then just create a new screen if you want. For example, we can go with a new one, and here you'll see on the right upper corner the widgets icon. Just tap there, and as can you see here, we got all available widgets that we can add on our device screen. And for example, we can go with the clocks, and here we got some types of the clocks, the digital ones and analog clock. And for example, we can add this clock. Just to add the widget, tap once on the widget, and here on your screen you'll see these widgets. And if you want, you can move this widget here on the screen. Just you should hold for a while the widget and drag it to the position where you want to adjust it to, for example like this. And if you want to just remove the widget, hold for a while and drag it here to the trash icon. And if you want, you can add one more widget here. That's not a problem. We can add, for example, the calendar. Just tap here once. As can you see, we can change the size of this widget. Just we can make it smaller or bigger by this way. And we can move this widget between the screens, or to create the new screen with this widget. Or also, if you want, we can just remove that by the same way. Just hold for a while and drag it here to the trash icon. So that's it. That's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.